Good afternoon, students. Why the strength is so less, Aditi? May I know the reason? Why the strength is so less? We have started with Chebyshev filter designing. We have to simplify some numerical based on that. And have you completed your file work? Yes, students. What about your file work? Please reply, Aditi. Speaker on करो और बताओ.
Hello, ma'am.
Be louder, unable to hear you.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes, beta.
मैम फाइल वर्क कंप्लीट नहीं हुआ, थोड़ा टाइम चाहिए मैम, 3-4 डेज का.
इतना टाइम क्यों चाहिए? शुरू से तुमको सारा चीजें दे रखी है और जस्ट 2 experiments from starting we are telling you to complete the file work. तो अब तक क्या कर रहे हो तुम लोग?
मैम रिटर्न वर्क,
हाँ,
मैम रिटर्न वर्क तो कंप्लीट है.
तो फिर और क्या करना है?
मैम
परफॉर्म.
बस हम ना प्रोग्राम्स को एक बार रन करके देखना है और आउटपुट निकालना है.
कब करोगे तुम?
मैम 3 डेज में कंप्लीट हो जाएगी.
वो प्रोग्राम परफॉर्म करने में 3 days लगेंगे तुमको?
मैम वो कंट्रोल सिस्टम का असाइनमेंट भी करना था इसलिए.
कंट्रोल सिस्टम का असाइनमेंट अभी मिला क्या तुम लोगों को?
यस मैम, आपने जिस दिन फाइल वर्क बोला था उस दिन ही मिला था. 30 को सबमिट कराना है वो.
बट मैं तुमको ये एक्सपेरिमेंट तो कब से ही करवा रही हूँ ना, फ्रॉम स्टार्टिंग. आई थिंक 1.5 month हो चुका है टू स्टार्ट.
यस मैम, फर्स्ट सेकंड वाज कंप्लीट.
हाँ, तो नहीं, फर्स्ट के आउटपुट जितना हो गया वो तो सबमिट करो.
यस मैम, फर्स्ट तो सबमिट करवा दिया है, सेकंड कल तक हो जाएगा.
फर्स्ट सबमिट करा दिया है?
यस मैम, डीएसपी में करवा दिया है, आरएफ में नहीं करवाया है.
डीएसपी में हो गया तुम्हारा फर्स्ट सबमिट. आई विल शेयर द स्क्रीन ऑल्सो. और प्रतिभा, तुमने क्या क्या किया है कंप्लीट?
मैम रिटर्न वर्क कंप्लीट हो गया है.
हाँ,
प्रोग्राम मैम रिटर्न कंप्लीट हो गया है.
अच्छा, और प्रोग्राम बाकी है?
प्रोग्राम यस, फर्स्ट एक्सपेरिमेंट कंप्लीट.
फर्स्ट एक्सपेरिमेंट कंप्लीट है, प्रोग्राम आउटपुट और सब चीज आ चुकी है तुम्हारी फर्स्ट एक्सपेरिमेंट की.
यस मैम.
डीएसपी लैब वो आप सबमिटेड, पता चलेगा. सबमिट फर्स्ट एक्सपेरिमेंट. कहाँ सबमिट किया है अदिति तुमने? ये सब
मैम ये वाले डीएसपी लैब में ही किया था.
हाँ, तो फर्स्ट एक्सपेरिमेंट सबमिट किया है सबने?
यस मैम.
ओके, सेकेंड सबका बाकी है. But now you have to be fast. There is not much more time. We have to complete the whole, because in next lab I will complete 2 experiments. So तुमको writing work में speed रखनी पड़ेगी. Otherwise कैसे चलेगा बताओ?
यस मैम, ये जो पूरी फाइल है 3 या 4 डेज में कंप्लीट करके दे देंगे मैम।
हाँ,
तो एक्चुअली
फाइल वर्क तुम लोग
एक
पूरा.
प्रॉब्लम ये भी था
हाँ. क्या प्रॉब्लम है बेटा?
मैम, एक्चुअली ना सब दिवाली की सफाई में भी लगे हुए हैं, सबको ये एक्सक्यूज भी चाहिए कि काम
अंकी
रहता है
अगर
उनका।
कॉलेज चल रहा होता तो क्या करते?
यस मैम, बट प्रॉब्लम ये कि अभी घर पे हैं तो कोई भी कभी भी उठा देता है, और एक्चुअली ना हमारी क्लास में गर्ल्स ज्यादा है तो प्रॉब्लम भी यही होती है। वैसे भी बॉयज क्लास लेते ही नहीं है मैम।
ठीक बात है अमीशा. Okay, but please complete your file work, so that because I have to check also na, it takes a lot of time for me to check your files also. So submit your file. RF lab में भी all the
Yes, ma'am.
theory things you can submit. जो जितना परफॉर्म कर पा रहा है वो परफॉर्म करके लगा दो, नहीं तो एटलीस्ट थियोरी में चेक कर लो. परफॉर्मेंस जब कॉलेज आओगे तब भी लगा सकते हो, पर जितना कर सको उतना कंप्लीट कर लो. ठीक है
यस
ना?
मैम, डीएसपी के लिए सबने बोला कि 3 to 4 डेज में दे देंगे।
और
1
फिर
डे में
आरएफएस के लिए
पॉसिबल नहीं
और
हो पाया।
आरएफएस के लिए अलग और 3 to 4 days.
उसके लिए तो मैम अभी तक फर्स्ट वाला ही मतलब हुआ है ओनली बस।
नहीं तो बेटा करना तो पड़ेगा फटाफट. सारा डेटा तुमको दे दिया है. एवरीथिंग आई हैव शेयर्ड विथ यू, जिससे कि तुम लोग को कहीं कोई प्रॉब्लम ना आए इसको पढ़ने में.
यस मैम।
सो we will start. We have discussed all the things about Chebyshev filter. Now we will simplify the numerical and we will start with the next. Actually, I have taken class on 20th October, but that day the strength was very less. So we just discussed very few things that day. So write down the question. Design a digital Chebyshev filter to satisfy the constraints. These are the given things. Transfer function limits 0.707 to 1. Omega varies from 0 to 0.2 pi. Finished writing down the numerical? Using bilinear transformation and assuming t is equals to 1 second. So we have studied the concepts of bilinear transformation in IIT. Finish writing down? Okay. So we know the basic steps to simplify this. To find out the analog edge frequencies. So what is the value of ohm 1 and ohm 2? So ओम1 ओम2 आ गया. Ratio, what are the values? Now determination of the order of the filter. We have discussed all the basic steps of Chebyshev designing. So you can see your notes and you can find out the formulas which we discussed. We have to calculate the order. Order is given by n, and there to calculate order we need n, and we need 1 upon epsilon del 2 square and ohm2 and ohm1. ohm2 ohm1 तो हमने find कर लिया है, okay? And we need epsilon. Epsilon is given by 1 upon del 1 square minus 1 to the power half. What is del 1? Del 1 क्या होता है? अदिति, प्रियंका. Del 1 is this value, the starting value. Yes, and del 2 is 0.1. So del 1 square से मैंने epsilon find कर लिया. Now please calculate the value of n and type your answer in the chat box. Okay, what's the value of n? Order of the filter. Do you have formula of n or not? सबके पास है n का formula? n is 2. Okay, approximately. और this is the ideal value. Exact value क्या आ रही है n की? Yes, approx is this. Very good. बाकी सबकी आ गई values. So this is the value of n. This is the formula cos h inverse. By calculator, you have to simplify this. It's simple mathematics. Simplify first the inner bracket 1 upon del 2 square minus 1 to the power half, then multiply it by 1 upon epsilon, then calculate its cos h inverse. Very good. So you got 1.669. Approximate value can be 2. Now what we will do, what is the next step? We have simplified Butterworth filter designing. So now the next step is to find the transfer function h of s. Next step is to find h of s. So how you will write h of s? N is 2. That means it is for even order of the filter. Even के लिए क्या करना था मुझे? Transfer function लिखना है. I have the same transfer function which I have written in your Butterworth filter designing. So h of s की value is very simple. So next third step is determine h of s और लिखो h of s equals to लिख लिया सबने. अब h of s फाइंड करो. Yes, student, find out h of s. अब क्या पैरामीटर्स चेंज होंगे? For Chebyshev filter designing, we have written Chebyshev polynomials and its coefficients. Coefficients were bk and ck, small b and small c. ओके उनकी वैल्यूज लिखो सबसे पहले. उसके बाद पैरामीटर कौन सा लिखना है? y of n. parameter y of n, then the parameter capital B, you have to write. So y of n का फॉर्मूला ये रहा, y of n क्यों फाइंड करना है हमें? Because you want to find small b and small c parameters. What is the value of y of n? Please calculate. Waiting for your reply, students. Value of y of n. आगे बेटा आंसर. Okay, very good. So next step is to find B1, C1. So find out. Okay, very good. B1, C1. अब क्या फाइंड करोगे? For n even, B के upon C के ratio is your A. We all know that is A. So find out capital A. See students, you have done lot of mistakes in your midterm 1. And I shared all the problems associated with your midterm 1 in your Google Classroom. Have you seen that? What major mistakes you did in your answer sheets? I haven't expected actually. I thought you are well prepared for your midterm 1 and you will give your 100%. But it was not like that. Is it clear, students? BK, CK? Okay. B1 C1 आ गया. अब सिस्टम फंक्शन लिखोगे वापस, सारी वैल्यूज पुट करोगे तो h of s will be this. Now simplify this h of s. h of s आ गया है. अब क्या करोगे, इसको थोड़ा सिंप्लीफाई करो. Then this all work is going on in analog domain. We want to convert it into digital domain. Okay, so what we will do in the question, it's mentioned using bilinear transformation. So h of z is equal to h of s, and s is to be substituted. What is the value of s? S will be equal to 2 by t z minus 1 upon z plus 1. So we will substitute that value to get s domain into z domain. So simplify that. Do that. This is the formula. Substitute it. Simplify it. Do it fast. We will start with the next unit. So tomorrow morning you are free. I can take your lab. So at least 50% strength should be there. So what is the value of h of z? Simplify it. बैक एग्जाम है क्या कल भी? No back exam tomorrow? Okay. Okay, what is the value of h of z? आ गया सबका आंसर? Okay, finished. Very good. So you all got the final answer. Z plus 1 the whole square को तुम simplify कर लो and you will get the final answer. So this kind of numerical will be asked for Chebyshev filter designing. Okay. So next we will start with the next unit. Next unit is a combination of 3 to 4 topics. We'll just see the syllabus also. So last unit, unit 4, combination of effects of finite register length in FIR filter designing, then spectral estimation, parametric and non-parametric, and introduction to multi-rate signal processing. So numerical can be asked in multi-rate DSP and finite register length. And it's majorly it's a theoretical topic. So we'll start with effect of finite register length in FIR filter designing. We have designed FIR filter by using windowing methods, Kaiser window, different techniques we have studied over there. Now we want to see, as it's a finite impulse response. So the infinite things signals are converted into finite ones, so there will be some missing of some signals. So how we will get exact response at the output, and what are its effect when we are converting it to finite? So that we have to study over here, and how we will make that compatible with designing of FIR filter. So finite word length effects in digital filter. Fixed point and floating point number. See here, we are representing some coefficients, some values in a register. कोई भी फिल्टर को तुम सिंप्लीफाई करोगे, कुछ वैल्यूज तुम्हें मिलेगी आउटपुट में, तो उस वैल्यूज को हम कैसे एडजस्ट करेंगे एंड व्हाट काइंड ऑफ दैट नंबर रिप्रेजेंट्स. सो फर्स्ट वी विल स्टडी नंबर रिप्रेजेंटेशंस. So first is fixed point and floating point number representation. We all know what is the fixed point and floating point number representation. So first we will discuss the introduction. Digital signal processing algorithms are realized either with special purpose hardware or general purpose digital computer. In both cases, the numbers and coefficients are stored in finite length register. Internally, we have to store all these values so that it will calculate FIR, IR filter designing. Anything could be there. So you just write down this point, students. Then number systems. It is a system in which quantities are expressed in numeric symbols. Numerous number systems are available. We all know there is not a single method to represent a number. Knowledge of number system is the most essential requirement for understanding and designing the digital circuits. Generally, numbers has two parts, integers and fractional. Very basic things I am discussing right now so that you will understand the concept of finite effect of register length. Generally, numbers has two parts, integers and fractional, set apart by radix point. Okay. Most common number systems are decimal, binary, octal, hexadecimal, BCDs. These are the number systems. Decimal सबको पता है 0 to 9. Binary system 0, 1. Index is 2. Octal systems, hexadecimal system 0 to 15, 0 to F numbers. Okay. Decimal systems. Most common number system used in day-to-day life is known as decimal system. It is also known as base 10 system. And we all should know the conversion from one to other. Decimal number range lies from 0 to 9. Okay, so we can convert this decimal number into binary, octal or hexadecimal. If I talk about binary numbers are zeros and 1. In that form we will represent that number. So we can convert those number. It could be 8-bit, it could be 16-bit, it could be a 4-bit. So we can convert that binary number into decimal, octal or hexadecimal. Octal number can be converted into decimal, binary or hexadecimal, and hexadecimal can be converted to other numbers. And we all know the range of this decimal systems. Okay, we can convert it any number into decimal system. Now number system, integer and fractional. Decimal to binary. See, you all know. I will give convert. I'm giving you a number, decimal to binary. 99 decimal को convert करो into binary. Convert 8 decimal into binary. जल्दी convert करो. Okay, divide by 2 किया. Now decimal to octal. Octal क्या होगा? Decimal to octal convert करना है, decimal to hexadecimal convert करना है. You all know this basics. You studied in digital electronics subject. Okay, we can convert binary to others. These are the formulas how we can convert binary to decimal, binary to octal, and binary to hexadecimal. Grouping of 4 bits will give you conversion from binary to hexadecimal. Okay, and then we can replace it by its equivalent decimal number also. Octal, we can convert it into decimal, binary, hexadecimal. Hexadecimal conversion into other formats can be done very easily. And now analog and digital system. Analog system. The physical quantities or signals may vary continuously over a specified range. Is your analog system. It varies with respect to time. Okay, it is not constant. It varies as your time changes. Digital system, the physical quantities or signals can assume only discrete values and it has greater accuracy. We all know digital systems are very much accurate as compared to analog systems. And we can convert all the analog systems into digital systems by using various technologies, methods, hardwares, and softwares. So this is an analog system and this is a digital or discrete system. A signal is shown. Number systems. The decimal number system is commonly used. Any number is possible to express in any base or radix R. We all know any number can be converted into any base. 2 base, 8 base, 6 base, 10 base or 16 base. Okay, in general any number with radix r having m digits to the left and n digits to the right of the decimal point can be expressed as this way. Write down this equation on number systems adding and how a number can be represented with radix r. Most significant digit, least significant digit, finish this equation. m is a digit in the mth position. mth position पे जो digit है वो am है. The coefficient am is termed as the most significant. bn is termed as the least significant digit. r is the radix. Finished. Base 10 decimal arithmetic uses the 10 numbers from 0 to 9. Each column represents a power of 10. Okay, so in this way we represent the system. The number 1999, the radix, your base is 10. 1999, so it is converted like this. Okay, base 10 decimal arithmetic where your decimal point is there. Okay, decimal. Now we are talking about fractional numbers. 19.99. So I want to convert this. How I will get this number in 10 decimal? Base 10, 1 to the power 10 to the power 1, 10 to the power 0, 10 to the power minus 1 and minus 2 will give you that number 19.99. Okay, this is the decimal arithmetic. Decimal number systems. Base, also called radix, is 10. Digit position, integer and fraction. Digit weight is the base and position. First position, second position, third position, where the number lies, that is the position. And magnitude, we all know digit magnitude, how it is calculated. Okay, and formal notation is 512.74 decimal. Okay, this is the formal notation. You can see the slide. And in next class, we will continue with our discussion. So you can see digit position. All the positions are, this is your most significant, this is your least significant digit. After decimal point, it is shown as -1, -2, 10 to the power 2, 10 to the power 1, 10 to the power 0. Digit weight, weight क्या है इसका? 100 की पोजीशन पे है, 10th पोजीशन पे है, ones की पोजीशन में. Okay, ones, tens and hundreds. Clear? Magnitude क्या है इसका? 500, 10 and 2 only, because it is at one's position. Clear, students? Any doubt? Anything you want to ask? So we will wind up our class over here. In next class, we will continue with the lecture of DSP. Goodbye, students. Yes, Aditi.
मैम आरएफ लैब में आपने एक एक्सपेरिमेंट ही दिया है, तो मतलब पूरी मैनुअल मिलेगी या हमको ही करना है?
नहीं, सारा मैनुअल दूंगी ना बेटा तुमको. I will share the manual, है ना?
यस मैम.
I will share.
ओके मैम.
Okay.